monetization not approved. So shocking. You know, I applied for my YouTube partner program monetization and I got the shock of my life. Why? Because of some things that I've been doing wrongly with my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be walking you through so that you will not make the same mistake I did for my YouTube monetization not to be approved. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because the information I will be giving to you is not found anywhere. It is those who have the experience which I experienced that will be able to come out boldly to tell you what happened. That is why I have come to share this my experience with you, so that you will never find yourself in that same shoe. Once again, welcome to Chioma Media. For those my coming subscribers, I say thank you. Then for my subscribers, you are awesome and amazing. Thank you so much for joining me. Please do remember to share this video, like, and comment your take on this. Now let's go. Okay, this is what will happen. You know, after I met the criteria, the necessary criteria for me to be monetized, I then saw the apply button. For those of us that know YouTube very well, we know the process, but for those of us who did not know, I will still explain. Yes, the criteria are being given to you to meet. One of the criteria is for you to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour or 10,000 views on your short. So I met by having my 1,000 subscribers, which I have told you the story. If you watch my video, you see how I achieved that so fast and easy. Then my 4,000 subscriber, my 4,000 watch time. Yes, immediately it was completed. The system now open up that place that they will say apply. Yes, so when it was open, I was so happy. I could not just wait. I could not reason, no experience, nobody to tell me that you don't just apply like that and all that. So that very moment when it was open, I think it should be, it opens December 24th. So I was like, wow, I was so joyful, so happy that I can now apply for my YouTube monetization, which I went forward on the 25th to apply. I did the necessary things. I put in my Google AdSense, I opened my Google AdSense, I connected everything. So I now apply. They now send me a notification that they will be reviewing my channel. That is what I would have said in the next 24 hours or how many days, as it is written, that they will review my channel and get back to me. Behold, on the 25th day, because I applied it earlier, then I applied it earlier on the 26th or the 25th. I'm not really too sure of it, but I think it's one of these dates. They now sent me a message. Boom. When I saw it, they said, your monetization is not approved. Wow, what a disappointment. They now told me what the reason why it was not approved, which is what I'll be showing you and I'll be telling you in this video. So make sure you keep watching. Good. So when I got the message that it was not approved, YouTube now sent me the reason why it was not approved. What is the reason? One of the reason is reuse content. I was told that when they review my channel, they find out I have reuse content. But if I think they are wrong, or they gave me two options. If I think that what they saw is not, I should appeal for them to recheck it again. Then if they find out that my appeal, that I still have reuse content, then I'll be penalized for it. Sound somehow right? Then the second option they gave to me is that I should edit my channel. But before that, I want to talk about the appeal. They gave me some condition. They said before I appeal for that, I should not delete any video in my channel. I should not edit my channel. I should make sure that the channel is the way it was when I applied for the monetization. You see, that is kind of difficult. And being an upcoming or a new YouTuber, I never knew what is reuse content. Yes, because reuse content is one of the violation that you get in YouTube. And when you're having reuse content, your content will not be monetized and you will not be approved for YouTube partners program. Okay, so now the second option they gave to me is that I should edit my channel. Yes. How do I edit my channel? They went ahead to tell me that I can delete, I can reconstruct, I can do whatever I want to do when editing my channel. Yes, they gave me the process. They told me the things that made my channel to have reuse content, though they did not specifically point out the reuse videos, but they told me that my channel has reuse content. So what I did, I just decided to go, reuse content. I was kind of frustrated, confused, not knowing what to do. That joy that just came and it looked as if they shattered the joy. You were so happy that you have received a YouTube partner program. You need to apply for you to be monetized, and boom, the news now came that you are not approved. It's so heartbroken. But I went ahead, I just calmed down. I was like, what do I do? How do I go about this reuse content? Because I'm not really sure if is what I will be able to do on myself. Then I begin to do some research. I begin to do some research, and I stumbled on her. She's so nice. I have 2 friends on this YouTube that walk me through. They told me how to do, and they were able to help me to review my channel. How do they do that? How do they help me? They said reuse content are when you have used one video twice or more than twice in YouTube. And that was one of the mistakes I am guilty of, that I really am guilty of. Most of us, when we use content, that same content, we'll try to modify it and put it. Is not acceptable in YouTube. So get that right. Reuse content means that the content you have used, the video you have used, you reused it in that same channel. Get it right. That is called reuse content. It might be your title, it might be your description. Okay, so these are reuse content, and this is what I was guilty of that made my channel not to be approved. Okay, then the journey now starts. How do we do it? And forgetting to mention that I was given 1 month to do that, for me to work on my channel and reapply. They gave me on the 25th of January for the reapplication button to be highlighted again. Okay, so it's as if I was suspended by YouTube for that 1 month. You see, that is how it works. So I started working on it. I was kind of confused, not knowing what to do, kind of frustrated. Why is it that I've gotten this far and this is happening? It takes patience. It takes you having good people around you to explain to you, because I know research do help. Yes, when you do research, it goes a long way in directing you and making you do some things, but you cannot compare it to the one that you have someone, a friend, that walk you through. So when I decided to call up to my friends and they came through for me, it was very easy. So he said, these are the reuse content. Let's begin to work on it. That is when I entered into my channel and I begin to sanitize my channel. Yes, if you know you want to monetize, don't just because it has shown you that you qualify, that you should apply, you just jump into. No, do not make the mistake I made. It was a terrible mistake. You know what I'm telling you? Because I want your joy to be full. That joy that, oh, YouTube have sent me this notification that I should apply. Then when you apply, it will just go straight. That is what I want you. Don't be a victim. Don't be a victim of what I passed through. It's kind of, you begin to ask yourself, why is it that it's only my own that is like that? Okay, the joy for those of us who have not been monetized. It's so joyful knowing that what you are doing is being recognized, no matter how little you are, no matter how small you've been doing, how little the effort is. One day the effort will grow. It's just your perseverance and your consistency. Yes, so that is it. I begin to sanitize my channel. I begin to delete. I begin to edit. I had to go through my titles one after the other. I find out that most of my titles are kind of different words, but they are same meaning. They are referring or like same thing. So I have to take time, one after the other. Even the description, I make sure all my description, for those of us that don't like putting description, no. Make sure you include description in your videos. Description does not only help the SEO optimization, it also helps YouTube to approve you easily. They want to know that what you are doing is what you are saying is what you're doing. There should be a correspondence. They don't want anything that is called clickbait. So that is why I will encourage you, as soon as that apply button is on, calm down. I know you're so happy, but calm down. Take time. If you cannot do it on your own, get someone that has passed through it. Get people that have monetized to put you through. Okay, so this video that I'm making is most especially for the upcoming YouTubers like me, small YouTubers like me. Make sure you calm down, because getting the 1,000 subscriber in my previous video, like I said, is easy and fast, but the process you will go so that your joy will continue is another important issue. So my channel was sanitized, a lot of things was removed, a lot of things were edited and all that. I deleted some videos, yes, not that the videos were bad, but I was kind of, why is it like this, why is this like this? So I was deleting, I was doing a lot. But mind you, when you're doing this, make sure that your watch hour did not reduce beyond 4,000, because as soon as your 4,000 reduce, that shows that you are not qualified again for that monetization. So be careful when you're doing it. That's why you need people with experience to help you do that. So that is how I sanitize my channel. And after that, I was kind of afraid to apply. Even when my friends that help me say apply, I was like, The date they gave to me to reapply was on the 25th of January. 25th came, apply. Oh my God, I was kind of, what about this thought? What about if I apply and they reject again? What is going on? Even apply, they were like begging me to apply. You know what? I was scared. It's horrible, you know, when you're thinking you're strong and you see some certain things. I don't want it to be rejected, you know. We're just thinking YouTube is just like app, then when you qualify, boom, they will just open it. No. It has process, it has procedure. So you must follow those due process. When they are not followed, when they are not met, it will be rejected. I never believed that when after meeting all these criteria, you can still be rejected. I never believed it. Why? Because nobody told me. So that is why I'm here telling you, so that you will not repeat that same mistake that I made. So fast forward, I now decide to apply. Why did I even decide to apply? When they were like, I was discussing with one of my friends. I told her, she said, apply. If they reject you, see, just apply. It now dawned on me that this is 31st of January. Do you want to take it to February? That is where around 10-11 p.m. I just went to reapply. And I was thinking that reapply, a lot of process. No, because my access has been connected, everything. I just click reapply around 10 to 11 p.m. You know what? On Saturday, on the 1st of February, 2025, at about 9:10, I got a mail from YouTube saying, congratulations, you are now our partner. You are welcome to YouTube partner program. So say congratulations to me. I'm so happy. And if I can do it, you that is watching me right now can do more. So do not give up on that channel. Just stay tuned with this my channel. The mistake I made, I will not let you make it. And the things that made me grow very fast will not be a secret, because I will come here and open it up like a book for you to follow. And as you follow, you will grow fast on this app. You know, there are too much money to make on this app. So if you are ready, just hit the subscribe button, share this video, like this video, and always watch to the end, because there is benefit, a lot of benefit for you. Let me tell you now, my dollar have started counting. This one is not like they will be waiting for you. You will see it live and direct. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.